Hello, my friend. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of a unique and revered Japanese food, wasabi, also known as Japanese horseradish. This condiment is deeply embedded in Japanese culture and cuisine. It's not only renowned for its distinct, pungent flavor, but also for its challenging cultivation process and rarity. Wasabi has been a part of Japanese culinary tradition for over 400 years, primarily used in the preparation of sushi. Its sharp, fiery taste is a perfect complement to the delicate flavors of raw fish, enhancing the overall dining experience. Beyond sushi, wasabi is also used in a variety of Japanese dishes, from noodles to even ice cream. Cultivating wasabi is no easy task. The plant requires specific conditions to thrive, making it one of the most difficult vegetables to grow. There are two primary methods of wasabi cultivation: field planting (hatake wasabi) and stream bed planting (sawa wasabi). The first method, hatake wasabi, involves planting wasabi in fields. To do this, you must first collect the seeds. Preparing the soil is crucial. It must be free-draining and fertile to support the plant's growth. Each wasabi plant should be spaced at least 30 cm apart to ensure they have enough room to develop properly. The soil should be rich in organic matter and slightly acidic, with the pH level between 6 and 7. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Farmers often use raised beds to improve drainage and reduce the risk of root rot, which can be a significant problem in wasabi cultivation. The second method, sawa wasabi, involves planting wasabi in stream beds. This technique uses limited land to create small plots of wasabi fields. Large rocks are placed at the bottom, followed by layers of smaller stones and sand. This setup creates a natural filtration system that keeps the water clean, which is vital for wasabi cultivation. For sawa wasabi to thrive, the water temperature must be maintained between 10-15 degrees C. This method replicates the plant's natural habitat, providing ideal growing conditions. Wasabi grown using this technique tends to have a higher quality and more intense flavor. The constant flow of water also helps to prevent diseases and pests that can affect the plants. Farmers often construct intricate irrigation systems to control water flow, ensuring that each plant receives the optimal amount of water. These systems can be quite sophisticated, involving channels, gates, and weirs to manage the water supply precisely. Wasabi can be harvested throughout the year, depending on the climate and seed variety. The edible part of the wasabi plant is called the rhizome, which is the stem of the plant, though it is often mistaken for the root. The rhizome is what gives wasabi its distinctive flavor and is traditionally grated to create the familiar paste. Harvesting wasabi is a delicate process. The plants are carefully removed from the soil or stream bed, ensuring that the rhizomes are not damaged. The rhizomes are then washed and trimmed, with the leaves and smaller roots removed. The rhizomes are typically 10 to 20 cm in length and can weigh up to 200 grams each. Fresh wasabi is one of the most expensive vegetables in the world, with prices reaching up to $250 per kilogram. This high cost is due to the plant's challenging cultivation process and the labor-intensive methods required to produce it. Despite its high price, the demand for authentic wasabi continues to grow, especially in gourmet kitchens and upscale restaurants. Real wasabi has a complex taste profile. It starts with a sharp spiciness that quickly mellows into a subtle sweetness. This unique combination makes it a sought-after ingredient in high-end culinary circles worldwide. Its flavor is so distinct that many people who try real wasabi for the first time are amazed at how different it is from the imitation wasabi commonly found in supermarkets. Imitation wasabi, often made from horseradish, mustard, and food coloring, lacks the nuanced flavor of real wasabi. Authentic wasabi has a fresh, green taste that enhances the flavors of the dishes it accompanies. Wasabi contains compounds called isothiocyanates, which have been found to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds may help reduce the risk of certain cancers and promote overall health. Additionally, wasabi is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. We hope you enjoyed learning about the awesome technology and techniques behind wasabi cultivation and harvest. Next time you savor a bite of sushi with wasabi, you can appreciate the incredible journey this remarkable plant has undergone to reach your plate. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wasabi, a Japanese taste everyone should try at least once.